You see a bright banner. It promises a $100 gift card. Your favorite fast food spot is right there in front of you. Suddenly, your brain just lights up. You think about all the free food you could get with that money. You click the link. It seems harmless enough at first, but the moment that page loads, you have stepped right into a carefully designed trap. This is not about giving you a free meal. This is about harvesting every single scrap of personal data you are willing to cough up. It starts small. They want your name. Then they want your email address. Then comes the phone number. Before you know it, you are handing over information that should stay private. They tell you that you are almost there. You just need to complete one more offer. That one offer turns into 5. Those 5 turn into a dozen. You are signing up for trial subscriptions for things you do not even want. You are filling out surveys about your laundry habits or your car insurance until your eyes cross. Every single time you click a button or submit a form, someone on the other end is getting paid. They are racking up affiliate commissions. They are making money from your effort. The scammer is laughing. Your email address is already being sold to 100 different marketing lists. Your phone is about to start ringing with spam calls from sunrise to sunset. This specific gift claim site is just another version of this old trick. These websites are built on the idea that you will keep chasing the carrot. They understand human psychology perfectly. They know that if you have already spent 20 minutes on their site, you are less likely to walk away. You feel like you have to finish it. It is the classic sunk cost fallacy. You tell yourself the gift card has to be on the very next page. But there is no next page. The finish line just keeps moving further away. There is always one more requirement. There is always one more verification step. Think about how real companies actually operate. When a major brand wants to give you a discount, they make it easy. They want you to use the coupon. They want you to come into the store. They do not hide the prize behind a mountain of suspicious links. They do not ask you to sign up for 3 different credit reports just to get a burger. If the process feels like a digital obstacle course, it is a total sham. These scammers are middlemen. They do not even have the gift cards they are promising. They are just trying to squeeze every cent out of your time. They want your data. It is an exhausting cycle that leaves you with nothing but a cluttered inbox. You get a sense of deep regret. Protecting yourself means recognizing the pattern. There is no such thing as a free lunch on the internet. If a website asks for 10 different things before giving you one, you are the product. You are the one being sold to the highest bidder. Close that tab immediately. Block the sender. Real rewards do not require you to sell your identity one survey at a time. The internet is full of these digital ghosts. They pop up under new names every single week. They use the same flashy layouts. They use the same fake testimonials from people who do not exist. They even use countdown timers to make you feel rushed. Do not fall for that false urgency. Take a breath. Look at the fine print. You will see that the odds are stacked against you from the very first click. The house always wins in these games. Your time is worth more than a fake voucher. Don't let a flashy advertisement trick you into giving away your digital life. It simply isn't worth the headache that follows once your data is out there in the world. Stick to the official apps and websites of the brands you love. If it sounds too good to be true, it always is.